Hello, welcome dear friend to Income Smart Way. In this video I am going to talk about very important tool which is helpful for online business owners and those people who are starting their business from scratch now. This keyword called Google Keyword Planner tool that you use to make best decision that you need to do. As you know, if you are going to start your online business, it is very crucial to make keyword research. So it is the way it's very important to take the decision based on the research you have done. So because of that, Google Keyword Planner is one of the best keyword tools that you have ever seen. There is a lot of tools which you need to pay, but this keyword planner you don't need to pay to see some results or to make research. It's all about it's requiring to start your account. If you have Google account like Gmail account, you can start either start now or you can sign in Google account. So it's simply that easy. It doesn't require any other conditions and requirements. So it's very crucial tool that you will use to see the results. So this is the screen that you will see when you are using this keyword, and especially when it's free. Keyword research is one of the very important parts of all the process you are doing online. If you don't make any keyword research, your business will not start in a right way and you will fail. Using this keyword is very crucial, especially for those who are going to pay traffic, to drive paid traffic from Google or from Bing or from other search engines or social media. It is very important. If you are going to put some keywords on Google, absolutely you should come on this screen and see how many people or the volume of monthly search and the CPC, the money that you are bidding on, the competition, if it's low, if it's high. You see, you can find a lot of low competition or medium or sometimes very high. Google Keyword Planner tool, I recommend you, and it is one of the best keyword tools that you can use. If you are starting your business from scratch now, you need to use this keyword because it doesn't ask you to pay monthly subscription. It's all maybe you need to have some campaigns because this tool is for to paid advertisement. So you may need to have a campaign to see some precise information, precise metrics to take the decision that you want. So it doesn't cost you that much. Even if you are going to see the specific or the advanced or the very specific keyword details, only you pay some cents or some dollars, few dollars each month, or it doesn't cost you that much. Many people are not paying. They have campaigns which they don't pay even per month, few cents. So even you can have such campaigns, and you can use this, how to use this tool perfectly. So it is a good idea, and it's a good way that you can take the decision that you want and see the results that you want. You don't need to go some paid keyword research tools that cost you a lot of money before you make any penny. That's the problem they have. So this is what I want to talk about today, and I hope that you will get some benefit from video of the day. And please subscribe to this channel, and thank you for another time.